Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl toryempress with a double S. And guys, today I'm going to be taking you guys to our day in the beach. So guys, we're going to Margate. Apparently it's meant to be a motive with Medway students and Canterbury students. So yeah guys, let's go. So now guys, we're walking all the way from Canterbury to Canterbury East to get the train because we didn't want to get the train all the way from Medway, but it's a long walk. We got the coach. It's a free shuttle bus if you're from the University of Kent, and it takes you from Medway to Canterbury and Canterbury to Medway. So that's what we've done, and now we're on our way to Canterbury East to get the train to Margate. welcome back. So we're finally going back home. We're all trying to get the train, but there's inspectors, so we doesn't matter. But guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your mom and tell your friends, tell everybody, okay?